I got the engine off the engine stand. I'm installing the flywheel. These are 11/16 bolts. I am putting some Loctite on these bolts. I don't want these to loosen up at all, so I'll put in the last three, and then just go from there. I'm gonna install the engine today, in short block form. I'll put the heads on later. I want to, probably show that in more detail with the engine in the car, as that's usually what most people do, is work on their engine while it's still in the car. Okay. So as you can see, I have the engine ready to go in, and I'll try to capture as much as I can, give everybody an idea of what I'm doing. I just about have it in. The motor mounts look like they're about to line up, and then I can put on the bolts for the bell housing to the motor. So yeah, looks like I'm just about there. Well, I got it in. The motor mounts are on. I started a couple bolts for the bell housing, and there it is. I showed as much as I could, captured as much as I could. I didn't get the last little bit, but it was just a bunch of back and forth with the cherry picker and the engine, just getting it to go in. When you're working by yourself, it takes a little longer. If I had one helper, probably would have finished a little faster, a little easier. And somebody would be jacking up the cherry picker or jacking up the engine, and somebody else would be starting the bolts. But there you go, it's in. Hope you like these videos. Please subscribe and please hit the like button. And once I get a chance, I'll be putting on the heads and exhaust and intake, and maybe in the next few weeks I'll have a first start video. Thank you.